If I had to give a quick summary of Lehigh Launch, it's seeking out adventure and learning beyond the classroom walls.
Lehigh Launch has enhanced my curiosity for academics just because things are much bigger than they seem.
Lehigh Launch was how I spent my first semester of freshman year. I knew going into college, I wanted something that would challenge me, something that would force me to grow and evolve and kind of challenge my mindset.
Whatever you're learning in the classroom, you're seeing happening in your daily life when you're commuting. You're seeing it on Fridays when we're going on school trips.
That's what excites me, is the hands-on learning, the getting to see, getting to meet, getting to interact.
The program overall and that experience, it gave me a lot of direction for what I was most interested in studying and what I want to do with my life.
The leadership exercises we had throughout launch showed me all of the different ways that you can be a leader and be a member of a group.
Your Lehigh Launch cohort really becomes a family and you become a great support network for each other.
But if you're with 10 to 12 people that think in different ways, you have 10 to 12 new ways of thinking about it, and it becomes so much better just how you see the world.
Being that you're so close to your professors during the duration of Lehigh Launch provides you with a really good base for once you get back to Lehigh. You have these established relationships with professors and they can help you through the struggles that every college student experiences.
When I came back onto campus, I immediately was able to go into my classes, meet students, and craft that Lehigh experience for myself.
People want to know more about what it is that you did and they're interested in it.
It was such a big jump out of my comfort zone, and for that I'll be forever grateful because it really shaped who I am as a person, and I'm happy that I decided not to do the typical first semester of college.